This is a swarm.
Can you see the swarm?
Yes.
Let me see that thing. It was actually a little thicker. I think they're moving.
They're definitely moving
That way.
southwest.
That would be perfect. What they are? They're landing. Oh, I just touched one. That scared me.
Okay. I'm sorry, didn't mean
Yeah, they're landing.
Are they landing in that pine tree?
I think so. I think they're all landing in that pine tree. So excited.
This is a massive, massive swarm.
Yeah,
There we go.
It's huge, right?
Bees everywhere. Probably like 15,000 bees in there. It's insane.
he's just in there.
You've got yourself some good video right now.
I'm just saying that I can't tell if it's...
Laura's touching the bees. You having fun, babe?
Yeah. Like, hey, what are you doing? Oh, it's on me.
All right. Well, are we ready? Are you recording, Adam?
Oh yeah, it's recording.
Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna shake this lower branch, and then I'm gonna shake the upper branch, and then if I need it, Adam, you're gonna hand me that blue brush, and I'm gonna brush as many bees in the box as I can, and then we're gonna, Laura, you're gonna back up, and we're gonna put the box down right about where you're kneeling.
Ready.
All right. You ready?
Yep.
I'm gonna shake this bunch of bees in. 1, 2, 3. Here comes the upper branch.
Wow.
Coming off.
Hi, you want me to take it out now?
Not yet.
Get her?
No
I hope
idea.
so.
All right. If you need to lop it off, go ahead.
Okay, let's hope we got her. We'll put this down here.
Where's the cover?
I don't know where the cover is. Other.
We'll know real soon.
We're gonna let him settle down?
Yeah.
We'll know real soon if we got her.
Oh yeah.
That box
There's-
pretty heavy, Adam.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It's really heavy.
Usually it's like,
I could not believe it. Oh yeah, there's a lot of bees fanning now. Branch is empty. Not so many flying around compared to how they were.
Get close up of the entrance of the box.
They're going in.
Still a lot at the entrance, but we'll get them in there. We'll get them in the box. Okay, so we're installing our new hive of bees. You can see a bunch of bearding right there. That's where we're hoping they go in if the queen's inside. Looks like a lot of fanning going on. You can see if we can get some of this fanning behavior on film. can see those bees that are fanning their little wings as fast as they can. Telling everybody to get in the hive. Looks like they're starting to empty out. There's still a mess of bees there though. Okay, so about 5 minutes have gone by. You can see the box is almost empty now. They're really going in there, and the cluster at the front is still pretty good sized, but now they're starting to fan here. That just started. All that fanning behavior on the landing board started probably about a minute ago. Now they're really fanning, telling all the bees this is where the queen is. Come on inside, ladies. It's party time in our new home. So here we are about 10 days later. You can see how happy the bees are. Hanging out there, coming in and out. They've been super busy. So we can come over here and look through their window. And you can see they're building up a whole bunch of honeycomb in there. They're just having a grand old time. So that's the story of how we got our bees.